old adage that history repeats itself, and you analyze commodity price indexes for the last 130 years, the trend is depressing. If history is to repeat itself and the world follows the last 4 cycles since 1887, commodity prices are very likely to remain suppressed for another 15 years or so. Pressed for profits in this environment of low prices and faced with a barrage of additional challenges, mining organizations are increasingly considering technology to drive operational efficiency and transformation. Because mining has been considered a hazardous and laborious process, it was long thought of as the antithesis to a forward-thinking field. This has to change, and is changing.
Mining at the moment is at a very specific inflection point in terms of where they are as a business, as an industry, and they have to take some serious measures to change their business model.
The big drive towards platform-style businesses sort of got the interest, ticking to say, well, how can we apply any of those type of sort of platform-style businesses to the current mining environment?
Mining companies are undergoing a digital transformation.
Key to this change is for them to be able to remain relevant. We've seen multinationals in other continents really drive down the cost of production. So I think from that perspective, we are set to see a massive step change taking place in mining, and I think IoT is going to be fundamental and core to that change.
Realizing that they can benefit from stepping forward into the future and investing in database technologies like the Internet of Things, and the potential to revamp the mining sector by accessing the benefits of what IoT offers. A new chapter in efficiency, revolutionized safety, predictive maintenance, real-time decision-making, business process automation, and more.
IoT specifically allows you to utilize a platform-style business model within your current business model, because you then can start integrating all of these, let's call it vertical streams of processes into horizontal platforms. So the IoT platform just allows that.
We've seen a high proliferation of SCADA type, PLC type automation and applications being deployed. I think it moved the mining sector at a specific stage.
Per process, we might be extremely efficient, but we had no idea what those different processes' effects are on one another, and you couldn't see it in real time. You could only see it post reconciliation, end of the month. You go, okay, well, the effect that A had on B was Z, or whatever the case may be.
So we've seen some really sophisticated systems and process automation come into play, but really what's taken place is, or what it's caused, is almost these silos of information. And that's really limited the potential in terms of interoperability.
To succeed in the data economy, organizations need to overcome silos by evolving from standalone information architectures to shared information architectures.
An IoT platform, because it is real-time information, is into a common platform, and all of these vertical streams can actually horizontally integrate with one another. You can actually make decisions in real time.
Key to the development that IoT.nxt has done has really been to create a platform, allowing any subsystem being able to connect into that platform, firstly, and secondly, being able to future-proof the business in terms of new technology that's coming up.
The IoT.nxt platform is very non-invasive. It wasn't a total disruption to the system. Because of the effect of what Raptor can do, the way that the gateway can actually plug in on top of your current system, nobody on the shop floor level up to, let's call it, first level, second level supervisor actually knows anything is different.
Our engagement really is at a CEO level. We don't talk technology, we really talk around strategy. Understand what their objectives are, and on that basis we can deploy our technology. Changing the business, transforming the business, and remembering it's still your business, only better.